El Molar, the 125cc riders are ready for their qualifying time practice. Ruben Fernandez Garcia, congratulations, winner of the qualifying time practice there on home soil as well, so it must have been a fantastic feeling for you.
Yeah, I'm very happy to get the first position for the wave, and I hope to get a good start tomorrow. And the track is perfect and I like it, but also need a little bit of water, but I'm happy.
Would you say perhaps winning the Group A 125cc qualifying time practice is because you're perhaps more used to the weather conditions? Being from Spain, you're used to these hotter temperatures.
Yeah, I live in Spain and this temperature is a little bit better for me, but I don't know. It's a good race because there are too many Spanish people here, and I'm really happy because I can speak with everybody, and come on, Ruben and me, very happy.
You have that support from your fans.
Yeah, it's good. I'm really happy. I don't know.
Good luck for the race. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mathis Barami, winner of Group B, 125 class in the qualifying. Tell us about your race. How was it out there?
La séance s'est bien passée.
I had a good session. I moved into first on the last lap. I could have done better. I did my best, but I am disappointed that I didn't have the best time out of all of the 125cc riders.
Encore de vitesse pour accrocher les meilleurs chronos des 125. Après, c'est des manches et les manches, c'est autre chose.
I know racing is something different. I will do my best. I like the track. There are some parts of the track that are not so simple, but most of the track is easy to go fast.
Donc voilà, il y a pas trop de différence.
There is one jump on the track I cannot jump. I tried to jump it so many times because I know it will make a big difference. I will try my best to make a good start and then it will be okay.
Un bon départ et ça devrait bien se passer.